Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that button. It's called the notification bell. And if you press it, which I suggest that you do, what happens is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I have a brand new video. You will see a picture in the inbox with the title, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I use it, I enjoy it, and I want to make sure that I tell you guys about it. So even if you are subscribed to my channel, what I do suggest is that you do press the bell so that you'll get that email notification. Okay, today is a Boxycharm add-on that we were able to, during our choices, in the month of January, you get to choose what you're gonna be able to have in your box. And then they had some add-ons underneath. And because Boxycharm had some mishaps on my accounts in the from December, we had a code that gave us $10 off. So because I had that code, I wanted to use it because they also gave it with an expiration date. So literally for like 1 month. So what I did was I decided I'm going to try the Becca foundation because I wanted to choose a color that was one that I didn't already own. So I'm going to be showing you the one that I ordered and then the two other ones that I have in my collection so that you guys will be able to see the differences of the colors. Ironically, my match color wasn't an option on the add-on site at the time when I went on, and I thought I went on pretty early. So I don't know if they only gave a certain assortment or what, but at least this way I'll be able to show you some of the colors and things like that. So the one that I chose is way too light for me, but like I said, the choices were either one that I already had, the one that I would have wanted wasn't available, so I went with the one a little bit lighter because I did have the one that was a step up darker. So the color that I'm going to be showing you is vanilla, and I assumed it was going to be similar to what the color was on the box, but it came in a full retail box. And Becca is a nice foundation. So it's called the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And this one is in the shade, like I said, vanilla, and it's 1 fluid ounce. It came with the box, and they're just saying it says foundation redefined. They're saying it has ultimate coverage in a surprisingly weightless and a breathable cream. They're saying it's perfectly balanced and distributes the pigment and the water at a high concentration, which will allow the formula to adapt to all skin types. They're saying it's lightweight and oil-free. It creates a second skin, flexible coverage with a natural, long-wearing finish. So they're saying it is intense pigment, ensures that it's uneven texture, your redness, if you have hyperpigmentation, and all other imperfections. It will conceal, and 22% water will add hydration and an elastic finish to prevent pigments from settling into fine lines, dryness, or pores. They're recommending 1 pump to perfection using 1 pump of foundation, and they're saying it will give you 1 perfecting brush, or you can, if you prefer, sweeping the foundation horizontally across. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So it's foundation. So the bottle is beautiful. It comes with a pump. And like I said, I'm going to show you the 3 colors. So the first one that we have here is in the shade vanilla. And that's the type of coverage that you're going to get with it. I have a wipe here, so just to wipe my hands. And that's the color that I chose. This is definitely too light for me, but something like this, I wanted to, like I said, they didn't have the color that I wanted. And then I said, you know what, it's smart for me to have one that's a little bit lighter so that I'll be able to show you guys, as well as, because pretty much I paid $2 for this. It was $12. I had the $10 coupon, and that's what I did. So this is the shade Nude. This is the color that I prefer for myself, and I'm going to show that to you. That's what the 1 pump looks like. And with Becca, for some reason, the colors aren't, for me, they do, like, the undertones I think are fine. I don't reach for this. So to me, it was either it was settling in my fine lines. So what I did was I bought these in a kit off the shopping channels when Becca was being introduced. And I haven't seen Becca on the shopping channels in a long time. So these have to be at least a year or a year and a couple of months old. So that's the shade Nude. Then, because it was such a great deal on the channel, you can see the difference of the boxes. This is the older one, and this says it's also the Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. And let me just double check on theirs. It's also saying the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. So I'm assuming they're the same, because it says Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream on this one. So this one is in the shade Noisette, and this is a shade that I ended up buying 2 kits off the channel because I really love the under eye brightener, and there was a lipstick that I liked also, so I didn't mind having 2, and this way I was able to have a darker shade as well. So that's the darker one there, and that one is called Noisette. And in the summertime, I figured that would be better for me. And what ended up happening, you see how different the shades are? There's like, it's not the shades are drastic in between. It's not like there's a little bit of a difference. My favorite that matches me the best, I find, in the one that I'm wearing, is from Hard Candy. It's called Glam Lodge. It's also a full coverage. It's 16-hour wear. I cannot believe that now my favorite foundation is from the drugstore. It blows my mind, but this is what I've been reaching for. And this one, the color is olive, which is not a color I would ever choose for myself, and it's number 1508. But I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to do a swatch completely down the side here, so you can see the one that I choose for my face, and you can see that the undertone, that's the one that matches me the best. And so the nude one from Becca would be the closest match for me. So just so you guys know, the lightest one is Vanilla, Nude, and this is Noisette. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I had all 3. And because this came in today, I wanted to make sure that I would film this. And then if you guys were looking in the future to, you know, choose your foundation color, then that would be the an easier way maybe for you to make a decision. But like I said, the undertones, so that's why when you find a foundation that for you is perfect, I don't care if it's drugstore or high-end, this one seemed to be like the ultimate for me. So, but if you fall in love with the actual Becca foundation, the Ultimate Coverage, then I just wanted you guys to be able to know the color choices. So now what I can do, because I have such a light one, I can probably mix it with the darker shade and try to come up with something so that it doesn't go to waste. But like I said, I had that $10 coupon, so this ended up costing me $2 to play, and that's what I did. So the add-ons are coming quicker than in the month that we're doing our choices for. So I wanted to make sure that if this video goes up, great, but if not, at least for future reference, you'll be able to see on the skin the difference of the colors. So once again, we have Vanilla, Nude, and Noisette. All right? Okay, wanted to share that with you guys. Once again, thank you for joining me. Thank you for finding me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.